Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the another episode of Pervindersinghcooking. Today I make a very simple Turkish kunafe for you, which is mostly made it for breakfast time. The word kunafa is comes from Middle East or Arab world. One of the most well preparation of kunafa Nebulian, which is originated in the Nablus city. The most representative of kunafa is Palestinian. It is prepared in a large round shallow dish or a pastry. Kunafa is a Palestinian Arab dessert from the Nablus city. Ottomans adapted it into the Turkish cuisine from Palestine. This dish is mainly mentioned in 10th century in the time of Ramadan. Common story is that the dish was prescribed by the doctor to satisfy the hunger of caliphs during the Ramadan period. Kunafa or kunafe is mainly a Levantine dish. Kunafa and kunafe is mainly derived from the Fatima dynasty, who rules Egypt and Levant. Fatimas are popular for their celebration and architecture. Fatimas also made a very good variety of cuisines, desserts. In celebration time, Fatimas are always invited the sculptor and his skilled workers, laborers invited everybody for their celebrations. So my dear friends, without wasting a time, I make a very simple Turkish kunafe breakfast recipe for you. Ingredients are 4 tomatoes, 6 potatoes, 10 gram butter, pasta masala according to your taste, salt according to your taste, 2 eggs and 2 green chilies. My dear friends, potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, and potatoes were a life-saving food source in early time because the vitamin C prevented scurvy. Now, pulverize the potatoes in well manner and in easy words says mill the potatoes gently. Dear friends, potatoes contain a skin content fiber which is important for our digestive health. Now put the eggs white in a bowl and mix it gently. Dear friends, eggs are among the most nutritious food on the planet and containing a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. Omega-3 exist and pastured eggs are even healthier. Now dear friends, it's time to add mixed egg into a pulverized potatoes and mix gently. Dear friends, eggs are high in cholesterol, but eating eggs does not adversely affect cholesterol in the blood for the majority of people. Now after mixing, add iodized salt according to your taste. Now use a chopped onion and tomatoes and 2 chilies. Now take a pan and add butter in a pan and cook for 1 minute. Now add a chopped onion in a pan and cook for 4 minutes. When the color is changed into deep brown, it means it's well cooked. Now add a chopped tomatoes and chilies in a pan and cook gently for 5 minutes. When the color is changed into deep brown, my dear friends, it means our gravy is ready, and add a pasta masala in a pan and mix gently. Now our gravy is ready, and put in a pulverized potatoes pan and mix gently. Take a pan and add butter in a pan and cook for a half minute. Now add kunafa mixtures in a pan and cook for 8 minutes. When the color is changed into deep brown, it means our breakfast kunafa is ready for serve. Dear friends, potatoes are rich in energy, fiber, vitamins and minerals, and try to include different varieties of potatoes in our diet to maximize the nutritional benefit. My dear friends, potatoes are a good source of antioxidants which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes and certain cancers. However, more human-based research is required before making any recommendations. So potatoes is very good for our health, and it's cheap and easy to buy in a market. My dear friends, potatoes contains resistance starch which may help reduce insulin resistance. In turn, this can help improve our blood sugar control. My dear friends, our dish is ready to serve, and wow, it looks gorgeous, and please try it in your home. The Turkish kunafe breakfast recipe for you, my dear friends, by Pervindersinghcooking.